Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So continuing on with our quest for a small toolkit out here in the old shop, I picked up this bit set here recently that I thought was a really good deal. So this is made by Wiha, or Wiha, I'm not sure how you say it. And it is the 32-piece Impact Go Box set, item number 76889. This company appears to be a U.S. company. This particular set was made in Vietnam, I believe. Yep, made in Vietnam. But they do make some tools in the U.S. and other places. So, take it for what it's worth. But there's something about this bit set that I really, really like and you don't see nowadays. And once we open that up, I'll show you what it is. Quite a few bits. Phillips 1, 2, and 3. You get 2 each of those. You get your squares 1, 2, and 3. Torx bits, you get 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, and a T40 and a quarter drive bit. That's pretty substantial. You're going to get your hex, metric, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, and 6.0 millimeters. Then standard hex, 1/8 inch, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32. Blah, blah, that's a tongue tire. 7/32. I still can't say it. 7/32 and quarter. And then your posi drives 1, 2, and 3. I don't use a lot of posi drives, but all these bit sets seem to have posi drives. Leave a comment down below if you run into posi drives. I'm curious what they use those on. So you're going to get a 70-tooth reversible ratchet, quarter hex to quarter square adapter, so you can use this with sockets, and quarter locking magnetic bit holder, so you can put this in your cordless impacts. So let's get out a little knife here and scratch this box open. I don't know if this thing will cut it or not. Might have to grab a bigger knife. Let's get a little bit more. There we go. Pull that out of there. So right off the rip, let's check out this ratchet. Oh, I want to tell you guys what's neat about this kit. So what I think is the coolest part of this kit is the box. It's metal, guys. Oops. Is it steel or is it aluminum? I believe it's steel. I don't have a magnet. Oh yeah, I do. Magnet to the rescue. Yep, it's steel. So that is pretty sweet. You just don't see this anymore. Everything's in plastic nowadays. Oh, I love little metal boxes, and this thing is tiny. That's for sure. What do we got? 4 1/4 by just a smidge, about 1.5 inches by 1 3/8 inches. So a nice tiny package that has a bunch of stuff in it. So as I was saying, you get your quarter drive ratchet that is reversible. I believe it said 72 teeth. Yep, 72 teeth, ratcheting. And of course, you can use this hex driver here that is magnetic. And then now you can use this with your quarter drive socket set. Let's get a 10 millimeter, make it official. All right, we got our official 10 millimeter socket here. Very nice smooth action on that ratchet. It's got a nice teardrop handle to it. Good feel. Feels good in the hands. Nice satin finish. Very well done. Very well designed. You've got some knurling up here. So you can turn the head with your fingers to get stuff started. That is very, very nice, very high quality. The insert in this is interesting too. I don't know if I can get it out. It's not plastic. It's like it's rubber. I was going to say high density foam, but it's actually rubber. That is really nice. That's not going to break. It's not going to crack. It's not going to fall apart. It's a nice rubber. There's no clips to break. Oh, put it in upside down. Yeah, that's really nice. So here's our impact driver. It's the standard impact driver. That looks to be magnetic as well. And you get a nice shank to use in your impact drill, or you could use it as an extension with your ratchet. I'm doing this through my camera. I can't barely see. Nice machining on this as well. Got the logo there, some knurling. Oh, the collar slips. Oh, it's a quick connect. That's neat. So you pull this collar back and then ejects your bit. That is very, wow. It's these little details, guys, that, I mean, for $35, what a high value this tool set is. That is very nice. Sorry, I'm just now seeing this for the first time with you guys, so bear with me. So there's all our Phillips bits down there. The blue on there must be the indication that it's impact rated. Little 1-inch quarter bits. And all your Torx, Allens, squares. The only thing that I did notice is these Torx are just normal Torx. They're not security Torx, which isn't a deal breaker. We'll be reviewing a different set later that does have the security bits in it, and might be a better choice if you to have both. That way you're covered both ends, but you don't typically see a lot of security bits. Well, at least I don't run into them. But anyways, that ratchet fits in there nice and neat. Nice little package. Fits in the hand nicely. That's a very nice set, guys. Very, very well thought out. Metal box. Rubber insert that holds all the bits. A good arrangement of bits. A very nice ratchet. And a very nice impact or bit holder, whatever you want to call it. What else can I say? That thing's nice. So we'll add this to the toolkit and see what else we can take a look at. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some more tool reviews and unboxings and such as I build up this little toolkit for out here in my small shop. See you in the next video.